Do you know the importance of washing your hands? I bet you don't. In this video, I'm going to teach you why you should wash your hands, when you should wash your hands, and how to wash your hands. If this is your first time here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's go. So today we are going to talk about hand washing and the importance of hand washing. Now the first reason why we wash our hands is to prevent the spread of the disease, of any disease or infection. Now the human hands, as you see, houses thousands of microorganisms. Now these microorganisms are pathogenic. And when I say pathogenic, I mean that they can cause diseases when they enter the human body. So you ask yourself this question: how are the viruses on my hand going to enter the body? But the thing is, your hand may touch your eyes, your nose, or your mouth. You may be conscious or unconscious, and when it gets into you, that is the microorganisms, they cause infections, and then you get sick. Number two, the second reason why you wash your hands is to prevent yourself from getting sick. Now, if your hands are clean, when you wash your hands always, you prevent yourself from getting sick, because always your hands are clean and there's no chance for viruses, bacteria, fungi, or any microorganisms to get in your hands. So that is the why you should wash your hands. Now we are going to the when. So the when is a long list, and I'm going to read it for you on my phone. Take notes. So the first is before, during, and after preparing food. Number two, before eating food. Number three, before and after taking care of a sick person. Number four, before and after treating a wound or a cut. Number five, after blowing your nose, coughing or sneezing. Number six, after touching an animal or feeding an animal. Number seven, after touching garbages. Now I'd like to add the very last one, which is important. Now when you leave your house or you step out of your house to do whatever you're going to do, when you come back, before you do anything or touch anything, it is advisable to wash your hands to prevent yourself from spreading infections or getting sick. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how you should wash your hands, and I'm going to show you how to wash your hands. So first of all, you open the tap, then you wet your hands with water. After tap is dry, you pick up your soap and you rub it against your hand for it to lather. So after you are done, then you rub it this way. Then you turn to the dorsum or the back of your hand. After that, you also move to the other side. Then after you move to in between the fingers. Then this way. Now this one is to remove all germs from the fingernails. This way. But then in some cases, some people are able to take their time and remove it one by one. Or you could also do it this way. This way has also proven to be very effective. Then this way. And do the same on this side. When you come to the wrist, the wrist is also a point where you should take care. So finally, before you are done, you do one more rubbing, then you rinse your hand under the water. Now you try as much as possible not to let your hand touch any of this things here. So in some places or in some buildings, the water is automatic. The moment you remove your hands, it stops flowing. But then here like the case, you need to use your hands. So, but I'm not going to touch it. So after drying my hands, I take it to the dryer. After you can see there's still water on my hand, so I try to rub the water back to my hand and then fix it. So now the top is still flowing, so then you take a tissue or a toilet paper and you use it to close it to prevent your hand from getting infected again. Always wash your hands. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time.